Good morning guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you are doing fine. Today we will be reviewing the car atmosphere lights that I brought it from Amazon, and these are the lights. I got this for 500 rupees and it says car atmosphere lights. So when you open the box you get this sort of packaging, and inside this packaging you get a remote, and on this remote there are many buttons. You'll get back to that later. And these are the lights itself. There are 4 LED strips, 2 under the front dashboard and 2 under the rear seats. So without wasting much time, we'll get back to the installation process. So before installing, make sure the lights are working. So connect it to your power outlet and switch it on, and if they are working, then you're ready to go to the further process. So you can see the placement of the LED strips being held under the dashboard. I actually did this from the car accessories shop, which is close by, and they were fantastic at that job because I wanted better wire management, and many panels were opened and the wires were taken from there. They are completely hidden. Link to their shop will be in the description box below. And this is how it looks at night. The camera might not be doing justice, but in reality they look very good and very premium. And this is the remote that we get, and there are many functions on this remote. For example, if you press the red button, red light will appear. Same for green and for many other colors. You can also increase the brightness of the lights, and you can decrease it as well. You can also power it off and turn it on with the help of this remote. So that's it for this video guys. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and also thank you for watching.